the Easy Trick channel for the computer science students and as well as those students who learn something new in the computer science field. This is the next part of the Python, part number 3, and the previous link available into the description box, the part number 1 and part number 2 available with the introduction level of the Python. So those students who don't see that particular tutorial, firstly see that particular tutorial and after that you will shift into that new tutorial related with the variable. So this is the variable topic under the Python. In this tutorial we will learn about the declaration of variables and how many types of variables available under the Python programming. So first of all we see all the rules, declaration of the variable, that which rule you will follow to declare the variable into the Python programming. So the first rule is, when you will declare the variable name must start with the letter or an underscore character, any letter or underscore character. So the variable name cannot start with the number से कभी भी इसको start नहीं कर सकते आप variable को. first rule ये कह रहा है. And the second rule said that कि when you will enter with the variable name, that is can contain only characters, the under question student feel about that. If the first rule said that with the letter the student feel that the alphanumeric characters or not, yes, the answer is you will receive the alphanumeric characters also available under the variable. The alphanumeric characters are the combination of the characters and the numeric values, and also with the underscore character. Only the special symbol is the underscore available under the variable section, not the another parts. So A to Z all the values of the characters and including numbers, but the rule follow, don't start variable name with the numeric value. Alphanumeric combinations available but not only with the numeric value. Third rule said that the variable names are case sensitive. The case sensitive means that when you declare with the bigger parts, means upper cases, it means some different value, and if it is in the lower cases have some different meaning or value. Like there is an example, that is the name, it's the color word. Color, if it is in the lower case, it's a different meaning. If it is start with the capital letter, it's a different meaning, and if it is on the uppercase letter, it is a different meaning. So every declaration having the different variable meaning. So this is the syntax of the variable. Firstly, you will declare the variable name, whatever the variable name according to the rule you will declare, and after that within the program when you will use that variable name, you will assign the value. So in the Python there are another variable rules that is not available under the another particular programming languages, like not in the C or C++ or in the Java, but in the Python programming, that is the specialty feature of the variable rule, that what are the particular phrases under the variables. There are the various categories. The first category of the variable means multi-words, means the particular more than one word can be difficult to read under the variables. So you will, and when you will feel that your variable declaration more than one word, when you will be declared not in the single word, like not in the color, you will feel if that the color name, this is the full variable name, these are the two words, more than one word or two words having the category under the Python variability. The first category is the camel case. In the camel case, the rule of the variable declaration is that in this each word except the first, means that the first word except the first starts with the capital letters. First word को छोड़ के आप another words को capital letters में दे सकते हो. For example, the first word is my, इसको आप नहीं दे सकते. Another words, variable is the second word and name is the third word. This is one or more word variable name. If it is the only single my, so it's not an issue, but it is the camel case. सो इट्स द इशू, द रूल इज ईच वर्ड एक्सेप्ट द फर्स्ट को छोड़ के बाकी सारे आपके कैपिटल्स होने चाहिए और आप उसको वैल्यू जो है वो किसी भी तरह से असाइन कर सकते हो, बिकॉज इट्स द स्ट्रिंग और वर्ड। तो ये रूल है हर लैंग्वेज का कि असाइन करते टाइम आपको डबल कोट्स लगाने होते हैं। नाउ वी विल एंटर इनटू द सेकंड केस। द सेकंड केस सेड दैट द नेम ऑफ द केस इज द पास्कल केस। पास्कल केस सेड दैट ईच वर्ड स्टार्ट्स विद द कैपिटल लेटर। मतलब कि जो स्टार्टिंग में आप वैल्यूज़ अरेंज करने जा रहे हो, वैल्यूज़ देने जा रहे हो इसकी, तो वो जो कैपिटल लेटर्स होने चाहिए, उसके अलावा नहीं कुछ और होना चाहिए। मीन्स इट्स द फर्स्ट वर्ड MVN, मीन्स 3 वर्ड्स जो अगर आप यूज़ कर रहे हो हर वर्ड कैपिटल होना चाहिए। और असाइनिंग रूल सेम है कि असाइनिंग वैल्यूज़ जो हैं आपकी पर्टिकुलर कोट्स में ही होती हैं, कि वर्ड्स हैं तो कोट्स में होती हैं। इफ़ इट इज़ द सिंगल पार्ट C, इफ़ इट इज़ द ओनली C, तो आप इसको ऐसे जैसे एरे में डिक्लेयर करते हैं ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे। दिस इज़ द एरे डिक्लेरेशन, बट वेरिएबल नेम में आपको इसका ध्यान स्पेशली रखना पड़ेगा। सो द थर्ड फेज अंडर द पाइथन इज द snake case. Snake case is totally different. The rule said that in the snake case is that each word is separated by an underscore character, because the underscore is the only symbol available under the Python, having the very good rule that we will use into the variables names like alphanumeric characters, but only the single symbol is the underscore. This is the MCQ questions. Underscore is having a usage under the variable name or not? Yes, it is the usage of the variable name. So the snake's case said that every word contain the underscore character. My underscore variable underscore name. So the rule is when you will use the particularly 3 cases. Camel case, again repeat that. Camel case said that फर्स्ट वर्ड लेटर का बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, अनदर वर्ड बड़े ही होने चाहिए। दिस इज द कंडीशन। एंड द पास्कल केस सेड दैट एवरी वर्ड हैविंग कैपिटल कैरेक्टर, माय वेरिएबल एंड नेम, एवरी वर्ड हैविंग कैपिटल कैरेक्टर्स, फाइन। And the third snake case said that this is the difference between the cases. Snake case said that every word containing the particular underscore characters, my underscore variable underscore name. So rule of assigning the variable is in the most probably you will use into the lower cases. It is the better case sensitive cases, but when you will use into the combination, तो कॉम्बिनेशन में आपको इन कैटेगरीज का भी ध्यान रखना होगा कि अगर आप वर्ड जो डिक्लेयर करने जा रहे हो, वेरिएबल जो यूज़ करने जा रहे हो अपने प्रोग्राम के अंदर, वैल्यूज़ उसको असाइन करने जा रहे हो, तो वो किस केस में आ सकती हैं। सो दीज आर द MCQ क्वेश्चंस फॉर योर फ्यूचर रेफरेंस ऑल्सो, and this is the tutorial of the variables. So the next tutorial will be uploaded very soon, and if you have any query regarding the any part, kindly comment into the comment box. The reply will be given within the 24 hours. So next tutorial will be uploaded very soon. Keep touch in the channel and have a nice day. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.